here on the 56. Just crack this open. We're gonna drain our oil, because this has been in here God knows how long. Ugh. Not bad though. It's just yucky. So we're gonna drain that. We're gonna drain our trans as well while we are here. I'm also probably gonna get that petcock out of there so we can finish draining our cooling system. Get that all done. Gotta do the other side as well. Ugh. Yucky, yucky, yucky. All right. Got the driver's side drain cock open. Ooh, the rusty crusty. It's still green, that's good. I mean, remember when we drained the cooling system, it was actually still green for the most part. This is why we haven't filled it yet. So we gotta drain the rest of it. Let her drain, let her drain. Alright, got the passenger side draining too. She ain't the spiffiest. Sure is solid. Alright, all that stuff is draining out. Now we dump the trans. Yucky, greasy. So I can do it by hand now. Better keep using the wrench. So that baby is on. Ugh. Alright, it's like moment of truth time. There it is. Come on, bitch. Alright. Ooh. Well, the plus side is that looks fairly clean and doesn't smell. That's good. It's just old. Whew. Yeah, it does have that old smell for sure. Yucky. All right, we'll find out more when we drop the pan here. I don't think we're doing that today. We're just letting everything drain today. All right, back to the fluid drain-a-palooza here. Obviously, we're gonna have to get to the diff, but I think I'm gonna do that over the weekend. I also want to discuss this diff cover. I can actually about put my finger through it. We might want to. I can actually order you a diff cover and make an executive decision on that, because that's not gonna live. Anyway, I'm gonna drain fuel, which thankfully Ford is smart enough to put drain plugs even on the fuel tank. Come on, baby. Nope, that's in there a while. But it's coming. Assuming it's going to be stinky. We're going to end up dropping this tank to flush it too. Because even though it's fairly new, it's just had a lot of icky gas in it for a long time. Ooh, yeah, that smells varnishy. Ooh. It looks like Coors Banquet. Or pee. That's not good. It's just a little yucky. For the record, that was a clean bucket. That gas is orange. Yeesh.